Welcome to 13275 Diversion Canal Road in Santa Maria, Louisiana. This home backs up onto the beautiful views of the Diversion Canal. Walking through the front door, you'll be greeted by the warm wood flooring. This home also has an open space floor plan with varied ceiling heights, crown moldings, granite surrounded fireplace, and this space lets in lots of natural light. The gallery style kitchen features slab granite countertops, stainless steel undermounted sink, dark stained cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and also has a breakfast nook. The formal dining room area has plenty of room for a large dining table for all your guests to come over for entertainment and parties. The master suite has varied ceiling heights, crown moldings, mounted ceiling fan, and painted in a neutral color palette. The ensuite master bathroom features slab granite countertops, double vanity sinks, a large soaking tub, and a large glass in-case master shower. The additional bedrooms to this home each have mounted ceiling fans, crown moldings, and have plenty of closet space for all your storage needs, and are painted in a neutral color palette. The guest bathroom has a vanity sink with storage underneath, a tub shower combination, and painted in a neutral color palette. Once you step outside, you'll enjoy the covered back patio area. This home is completely surrounded in brick. The back porch features mounted ceiling fans that will keep you cool for when you're relaxing and taking in the beautiful views of the Diversion Canal. This home also comes with a boat slip with a 40 by 40 upper deck that sits above two boat slips. The upper deck is a fantastic place to entertain guests while sitting back and enjoying more beautiful views of the Diversion Canal. Are you ready to call 13275 Diversion Canal your home? If the answer is yes, then call for your private showing today.